So today I'm going to we are having a session Nocodb is a mentorship program. So let's start it. So let's go quickly with the agenda. First is what is Nocodb. Then we will see the key features, then table and fields, relationships, forms, views, permission, and live demo. So let's first understand what is Nocodb. Do you have any idea what is Nocodb? So, see what name says. It's a say NoCoDB. NoCoDB means no code database. So, in easy language, once we need to understand what is NoCoDB. NoCoDB is like Google Sheets, but smarter. It stores data like a database and lets you build apps and workflows without using or writing any code. So, if you want to understand what is Nocodb exactly, so it's like Excel or Google Sheets and plus database. Then it's you are going to get Nocodb. These are the key features for the Nocodb, like spreadsheet-like interface. You are going to see all the tables and sheets in the spreadsheet-like and you can easily form after creating the spreadsheet. You can create the forms, and then you can view these sheets and tables as a view, and you can share it as well with others. And then here, that is the important role in the Nocodb that provides a relationship. Like once you are creating one table, and it provides you to connect with the other table as well. And there it is role based access. Okay, so this is the Nocodb interface overview. How we are working properly. So this is the proper sheet. We can see here here you can see this is our company name, and then we can see here we have created so many tables here. You can see all the available forms and sheets we have tables we are working on. This is the layout what we are working on. It looks like this once you are going to work with this. Then there is a share button also, and then we have our details and data, and there are so many options available so that we can work on it's like fields, filter, groups, and sorting. So it allow us and provide us the platform that however you want to see your data, you can. It's available here in the Nocodb. Now it's tables and the fields. So how are the tables are working? Looking into this, like these tables are. I told you it's going to work like a spreadsheet. Records are going to like the row and in the column fields. So how to create? Let me give you the direct picture of it. So let's start here. I have already shared this presentation. So let me create one new with you. Okay, create new table. So like I have created already. What should I give you? Like organization. Okay. So this is I am creating this table, another table we are having. So you can see like once we are having a table here like presentation, now we are having the another table like organization. So how the way we are going to create many more sheets is going to look like the same way. Okay. So then once we are having like it's give you the first like title. So here what you can do, like it provides you like if you want to write your name or uh, employee, or we can write the okay, we can take employee. Okay, guys, can you please say yes or no so that I can understand that you are listening carefully.
Yes.
Then update. So what is that? T means this employee. So this T means is like you are writing a text into this. Okay. So right now we can add a row here. Now I can write the names here. So like this name, right? Now I can get the another record like Rishika, and Priyanka. So this is the way we can go. Okay. Now it's important to understand why it's important. Just go. Let's go with the new. Now I'm adding the new columns. Earlier I was adding the rows. These were the rows, and now I'm adding the column here. So what column I'm adding here? Can you suggest some name? Like if I'm going, I want your email ID. Okay. So email. Okay. So how it's going to work? Like if I'm going to create it in like email, it's not going to take. Now what Nocodb providers that email, you just need to go and it's going to take, if there's an option available, email. So you need to select it only and then it's going to go this way. Once you are going to there here, now it's going to take your email. It's going to ask you to upload your email or you can write your email here. Again, let's go with another one. Like if you want if you want to like resume, okay? And for resume, you need an attachment, right? So for attach, now I'm going to attach it and now it's going to create like this. So what's happening here? Once I'm going here, it's going to ask you to upload your resume here. Okay. So once you're going, it's going to take you like for the browser file and all. So you can, so each link is available. It's a, once you are working on Nocodb, you need to understand these available options very properly. So only you will be able to, like, for example, this is the decimal option available. Once your digit, when you know that your digit is going to be counting the decimals, you can choose this. Once you want to if this task is done or checkbox type, it's going to work like this. If you have any multi-select, single select, it's going to work like a drop down. Okay. And then if you want to select date, for example, this, I am taking like a date and then saving the field. So see, the date is available. Now, once I'm going here, it's showing me the calendar. Okay. So this is the all features are available with the Nocodb, and there are many, you can see here. Like now, this is the major and the next option available, like link. So why I created different like I need to go with organization. What should I take the name? Student. Okay. And now please listen carefully. Like this is the important thing now. Link to another record. Now this is providing many options available here. So earlier it was in the previous now this is the updated version. Earlier they were we have available option like many to many, one to many, and one to one. Now they have given one more option like many to one. So what does that actually mean? Many to many, one to many, many to one, or one to one. So this is like once you are expecting records from many people, and you are like many people are going to give you feedback or to many people, right? This is going many to many, okay? And then this is one to many. Like I am going to give you feedback to many people. So we are going to use this. Like once we are expecting to have a response from many to one, like you people, like you guys are giving the feedback to one employee, like one mentor, right? So we were taking this one and then one. Like once we know that only one person give you the uh, feedback. So this is how I'm taking the example. There must be many things you can use for this. Okay, so this is how we are actually working on it. So like for example, I am selecting this many to one and I am selecting this safe way. Okay, now one more option I'm missing, like it's asking key to which table you are asking to connect, okay, to link. So in the PPT, I was mentioning again and again, it's about the relationship. Now this is the way we are creating a relation, like to connect. So we have two presentation table here available in the first presentation and organization. Right now we are working on the organization. Then if we are looking for presentation, now we are going to select our presentation and save it. Okay, so now you can see it's many to one. Okay, now let's see how many options are available now. If you can see my presentation here, see I have already taken so many names here. Can you see this? So once now I'm just because I have linked this table to my organization here. So once I'm going here, I can see all the available options here too. So, well, like I'm taking Priyanka, I can connect it to this. If I'm going to take run mine, we are going to add it. So this is the way we go on. Okay. So next, the amazing option we are having available, you are going to ask why this option is available. Like once we are going to this, and now they are asking, you can ask why this option available. It's giving us the way to how we want to see our presentation. This picture, how we want to see. Like it's already in the grid form. You can see here that it's already showing in a grid form. Next, I want a form. Okay. So if you all know that you people are filling up the form in feedback form and all, like we are having time of form as well. So there are many forms available. So we are creating a form through this way. We are going for form and then we can create view, right? Everyone, are you listening me?
Yes.
Right. So this is a form available. See, it's really easy. Like I have just created a table here, and now I can see a form available to get uploaded. So I can send this form. So uh, I can share this form with everyone. Now see, these were the available option. It was the option there in my like interns, resume, email, and organization. And these are this is the fields I just want to show. Like everything is available here. Like if I want to know, I don't want to show I don't want to share any email. Like I can go with this. Now you can see no email option is available, but it's there in the list. If I now I want to get it visible, now it's show back. Okay, so now we can see intern, resume, email, and organization. Now I go with the form. Now these options are available here as well. Okay, interns, resume, email, and organization. Okay. So once now I want to see some I want to make it compulsory for everyone. Now so we can where this is a form. I want to write some description all option uh, options bring all options um bring to Excel. So you can leave a comment like this, and once if you want to make more changes in the form, now this is available. Now all the available interns. If you want something like no, I don't want to see show interns, you can go again with this. If you want that, it's available here. Organization, email, resume. These are all available here. Okay, once you want to make it compulsory, you see the mandatory, this is mandatory to fill the red. So this is once I'm clicking here, it's showing that required field. Just go with this, and it's going to make it compulsory to fill. Okay. Then again, once I'm going here and I want to make it compulsory, then again I can see the required field. Then it's this. This for email again, you can go with this. And for the organization, like all the details were important, so you are marking them, and then we are going to sum. Okay, like I see, I have marked like you all the details are compulsory to update, so it's not selecting, it's not accepting by this form. So we need to fill the form properly. Like once we are going here in terms, so in terms, I need to write no, I cannot like right now I cannot update, so I'm not making it compulsory. And then email, so I can write anywhere. For example, pigeon at the rate humanized IQ.com, and then organization is okay. Our organization is Rishika, so it's showing here. Okay, then I'm going to submit my form. So it's complete. Now the detail is coming here. See, I have taken the first I was this is my early transaction. Like now, right now, I have given the Rishika my email ID and this one. Okay, so this is the way we go with the. So now the another thing is that like you are going to see these tables here. So first I have already told you about the grid. This is the grid form. We are it's visible. Then it's a form. You have already created a form here. And all the feedback form you are filling up, we have created it through Nocodb, right? And the time of table and many more, we can use it properly. Like we just need to send our this form, and the your sheets are automatically getting updated. So this is reducing your manual work. And then what about Gilby? So let's see how it's showing. It's going to show you this template form, card like. Okay, so we are not looking for this, so we need to delete it. Okay, and again, like I want to see something else. Like this is Canvan. Canvan, I have not. We are not putting any uh, details like that. But Kanban views we're going to provide you like we are doing in the task manager. Like we are updating our daily tasks. So this is called the Kanban view, and then calendar. Then let's go with the calendar. So I have just updated all the members here. So it's showing here. Otherwise, it's going to be take like whenever I edit, whenever I enter any employee or intern. So the day making the changes, it's going to show here. Like on whatever the date we are taking them, it's going to show the entry here. So these are like, and if we don't like, we're just going to delete it like this way. Okay. So guys, now you can see these are the entries are available here in the organization, and this is my presentation. And if you do you guys have any doubt? So right now we have created a new project, then we create a table, and then we add fields and we add reports and then save it. Okay. So let's go next. Like we have this slideshow. Like we have now we have just seen many to many, as many, and one to one. This is the available option. Once now we are having one more like many to one. Okay. So this is a form we have just done. We just created a generate form from table, set it forward, we'll collect responses and then share the URL. I can tell you how to share the URL. Like, and this is the grid I have discussed with the grid you have seen. Now, how we learn how to create a form, how can we see the gallery and the Kanban and the calendar form. Okay. And now let's see with the permission, how to share your permission. So let's go with it again back to the presentation. Now, this is the available option here, share. Now, I want like my once I'm going, like I don't want to give any access to my sheet. I want to give the access on my form, right? I just want to give my access on the form only. So I am going to enable it for the public view. And now, okay. So once I'm going to do this, it's providing you the access to all, right? Now everybody can view my this form, right? Next, let's go back to the presentation. So, what is the best practice for what are the best practices? Like use meaningful names. Always remember, like your names, your table name should be properly maintained, because once you are going to link it with to the another table, so it's going to matter a lot. Then you need to avoid duplicate data, use relationships, and review permissions always. Okay. So, do you have any doubt right now? You can ask me, or we can like go with the class. Like you people can try and create your own presentation. You can share with me so that I can review if you are having a problem, or if you guys are having any doubt, you can ask me.